I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would. You know that I would.
Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. Actually, welcome back to us sa aming channel. It's been a while. Mga more than 6 months na ata kami hindi nakapag-upload ng vlog. And the last time we did, it's about our PR approval. So that was the last vlog na namin. It is September 15, Sunday here, and we are on our way to Seafood City. Ayan, medyo madalas na namin pinupuntahan yung Seafood City sa Scarborough dahil minsan nag-crave kami na mga Pinoy merienda, Pinoy food. So we're going there now. So yeah, this is a life update vlog dahil marami nang nangangamusta ano na daw nangyari sa amin after kami nag-PR, what's happening with our lives. Medyo tahimik kami for the past several months because of these two. Ayan, say hi! 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 Say hi, anak! Hi! Hi! Yeah, this is Mateo! Yes, you're Mateo! And this is Mikael. Hi, Mikael! Hi, Mikael, love! Hi! Ayan, wala siya sa mood. So, we've been busy as new parents of twins, so wala kaming time to edit vlogs, to shoot vlogs, and recently lang naman talaga kami naglalabas dahil nung medyo maliit pa sila. They were preemies. Kung napanood niyo yung vlog namin about me giving birth and yung days nila or yung journey nila sa NICU. So medyo very protective kami na ilabas sila. So, very recent lang kaming lumalabas ng bahay. Medyo malalapit lang lagi yung pinupuntahan namin. Para lang sure na sila magkasakit or ma-expose sa kung ano man. But anyway, yeah, we've been busy with the twins. They are currently 10 months from their birth date. Pero yung parang adjusted age nila is around 8 months. Kasi nga, yung iba yung calculation ng age for preemies or premature babies. But so far, look at them. They are healthy and well. Ayan. This is Mikael and Mateo. Ayan. So, nandito ako sa likod. From being a passenger princess to being the yaya at the back with the babies. Ayan, dito si Munggo, si Mark. Kamusta?
Okay lang. Kamusta kayo dyan?
Wow. Wow, mga kabayan. Say hi to the kabayan.
Shout out sa mga kabayan.
Wow. Ayan. So far, life lately, or ano bang life update namin. So, after PR, wala namang masyadong major change sa amin. Bukod sa, syempre, nagka-family kami. Siguro yung difference lang from before kami mag-PR. What's the difference, Monkey?
Anong difference?
Nung PR na tayo, may naging difference ba sa life?
Siguro nung hindi pa kami PR, nag-worry kami after kung ano ba mangyayari after ng mga work permit. Ngayon, wala na. So, thankfully.
Teka lang, may maingay. Ano, magbablog ka din, anak? Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, please subscribe daw, sabi ni Mateo. So, yun. Yes, actually, lang ang pinagbago. Parang, after PR, medyo panatag na kami since hindi na namin inaabangan yung expiry ng visa namin, like student and work permit namin. So medyo panatag na kami. And happy kami, the babies are Canadian. So dito sila pinanganak sa Canada. So automatic Canadian. So wala silang problema sa kanilang visa, except na lang sa Pilipinas. But yeah, something that we're looking forward to this year is yung pag-uwi namin finally sa Pilipinas. We'll be there for like almost 2 months from November to mid-January. So after more than 3 years, yes, more than 3 years na kami sa Canada this year, kakauwi na kami finally to spend the holidays with the family, with the friends. And syempre, yung pinaka-goal is ma-meet nila yung aming kambal, ma-meet nila yung family, yung mga pinsan nila, and syempre yung mga close friends. We plan to have their binyag din sa Pinas. And first birthday celebration, although medyo late celebration na siya, but we wanted to celebrate with the whole family, of course. So, ayun ang pinaka-update. Wala masyadong ganap, di kami masyadong lumalabas ng bahay. We're just, well, taking care of the babies. And paminsan-minsan lumalabas lang, eat out, which is mahira. Mga ganito lang, pag nag-crave ng something, labas kami. Pero tinatry na namin lumabas ng madalas to practice yung travel namin to the Philippines. So yeah, that's it. So nothing else happening. We're just going to seafood. Maghahanap-hanap kami ng mga requested pasalubong ng pamilya, mga t-shirts, ref magnet, the usual. So punta kami ng Dollarama and then seafood. So sasama lang namin kayo doon. Oh yes, baby! Oh. Why? Oh, yes. Kamusta ka naman dyan? Hi, say hi, anak. Hi. So, ayun, see you there sa destination. Hanap tayo ng pasalubongs for the family. And then let's eat some, I don't know, halo-halo enteron sa Seafood City. Ayan, we're almost here. Almost there. Almost here. Ayan, this is sa Eglinton. So, yung Seafood City is over there. And I know there's a Dollarama there. So, dito lang kami around the area. Maggagala-gala. Ay, sus ko, anak. Ay, sus ko. Water time. Uy, kulit-kulit baby. Kulit-kulit baby. Okay, okay. Ayan. Very, production level ang aming paglabas lagi. We have double stroller.
Hindi mo na tuloy yung kotse.
Wow. Bye.
Let's go, let's go.
Your turn.
Ito mataba ito, mabigat to eh.
Si Bachoy. Bachoy. Hi, Mikael. Hi, Mikael. Hi, Mikael. May bukol na naman. Ayan. So, yan ang kanilang setup every time on a double stroller. there. So that is Dollarama. Maghahanap-hanap ng mga pasalubong. This is actually a nice area kasi isang malaking space. Tapos marami na siyang stores. So they also have cinema here, yung Cineplex Odeon and other like stores like this. Nakakatuwa naman ng mga ate ko dahil same sila ng mga request. They like yung mga souvenirs like Canada t-shirts and ref magnets. So yun yung mga hinahanap ko right now. So we're kind of preparing for our trip. So yeah, paunti-unti makakaipon din ng pasalubong. Pero wala kami masyadong bibilin this time. Kami yung pinaka-pasalubong. Hindi na kayo magpapadala ng box or maraming stuff. So yeah. Okay, so this is Dollarama. Let's go. Ayaw nga pala. Yan.
Ito lang ako bumibili ng shampoo. Tresemme.
Naghahunting siya ng shampoo na Tresemme.
Ang dami namin biniling project sa Pinas noong 2021. Hindi pa ubos ngayon. Yung ginagamit ko, puro expired na. Pala. Kaya nangangati ako.
Mga batang Kojic.
Yeah. Installed yung Kojic mo. Hindi tayo ng pang-dagdag ng pa.
Antok ang baby ko. Hindi pa inapang-nap. He's not currently in the mood kasi nagsuka siya kanina ng karos kaldo. Wala sa mood ang baby ko. What's that?
Hello, ano? Bless. 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 Bless.
Bless daw. Ayan, puno ng mga Halloween stuff dito sa Dollarama. Sana may mga Canada souvenirs. Takutin mo nga yung baby. Bakit ako mga loko-lokong magulang. Parang mas natutuwa pa siya. Natuwa pa sila. Ay nako. Hindi uuber ang Halloween I'm trying mo tayo.
Sugar, please.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Oh, sorry. Gusto ko yung may pang Christmas na din. Sa kabila ay fall mga designs, sa kabila Christmas. So, 'di ba? Complete na siya, seasons. Well, so far ito lang yung Canada themed some things here. No shirts. No magnets. Ayun, so wala akong nabili. Wala, puro hats lang. Walang shirts and other stuff na Canada themed.
Naku, pagka bago kayo dito sa Canada, huwag na bang lapitan yan.
Yung
Yung hahabol yung mga yan.
nangahabol daw yung mga ibon na yan.
Hahabulin ka niyan.
So, we're here sa seafood. Let's see what we can buy. More on food, of course. And tingnan nyo naman ang aming production with the twins paglalabas. So, we have a diaper bag here. And syempre may mga snacks kaming dala. And then mga toys na may teether na siya dahil currently teething ang aming mga bebes. Kaya medyo lagi silang wala sa mood. Of course, water. And then may mga milk sa loob, pamalit, diaper, and all those stuff. So yeah. Say hi! Hi! Ano na? Let's go. Let's go. Hi. Hello, ang dami. Malis na sila.
Mahahabol yung mga yan. Ewan ko kung yan yun.
Okay, we're here. Kung nasa ng mga Pinoy. Saan maraming Pinoy? Sa Pinoy grocery. Ayun guys, very quick life update and a sneak peek of our afternoon, kind of a glimpse of our life now with the babies. And ayan, 2 hours lang kami lumabas and now we are going back home dahil matutulog na ang mga bem-bems. So, thank you so much for watching. No promises kung makakapag-upload kami soon ng mga susunod na vlogs. But we will definitely vlog our pauwi ng Pilipinas. If you're curious. And we also want to document that, you know, experience for the babies. That's it. Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye! Bye-bye! Oh, he doesn't care. Bye-bye! Yan na, ready to sleep na ang mga baby ko. Thank you guys! And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe! Gusto na kaming pag may ma-upload. Kama, sabihin ka ba? Say bye.
Bye.